If you've ever been curious what you could get near Lacamas Lake for $850,000, I'm gonna show you. Right as you walk in, you'll notice that you have vaulted ceilings, a nice open hallway. Takes you right on upstairs. You'll have 3 bedrooms, 1 on the main floor, and this amazing luxury vinyl plank. As you can see, there's tons of natural light that come in. That way you save some electricity. You don't have to keep the lights on, but you still have that natural feeling. Nice open concept. That way if you're cooking, you can still be a part of the family, still be involved in the memories, and everyone can hang and gather and feel included. And then obviously you have that pantry there that's gonna be crucial for any appliances you want hidden. All come with brand new appliances that are gonna be staying with the house. Nice gas fireplace to keep the nice and cozy environment. And there's no one in your backyard, which is amazing. Right off the kitchen and the living room, you have the dining room to kind of maintain that open concept. And then brings you right out there to that back patio. All the space you need to entertain, barbecue, garden, plant your flowers, your vegetables, anything that you really need can be all in your backyard. Little side area for more gardening space. As we turn here, you're actually going to notice there is an attached mother-in-law suite, an ADU with some side. It has a full kitchen, laundry, 1 bedroom with 1 bath. Great for any in-laws staying. If you want some extra income, you can rent it out. Any family members that are just staying with you, they have their own space. So a lot of good opportunity to utilize this and maximize it. It also has a separate entrance and a separate gardening area. From this patio, you actually have some peekaboo views of the Lacamas Lake. It can be a little hard to see on camera. You might have to see it for yourself. As we head out to the garage, you also see on the left here, there is some more storage. It's under stair storage, so it goes very deep. Keep anything that you need that you don't use often. And the garage, it's a 2-car garage. It's extra deep. And it comes with 2 electric chargers. So the whole family has a bunch of Teslas. You are covered here. Extra deep, so you can park 2 cars and have storage. Head up to the 2nd level. Really where you notice how high those ceilings get. Lots of natural light here from these windows. And then the 2 separate loft areas, you have one right here and then another one that we'll show you. It's gonna be nice that you can have 2 entertaining areas if you need your space, but you don't want to be tucked away in your bedroom. You have that area that you can go to. Upstairs laundry, which is amazing. You don't have to haul all of your clothes up and down the stairs. Two guest rooms up here and your 2nd loft area, plus another bathroom. And these ones is really where you can see your peekaboo views. Gotta see it to believe it. Second guest bedroom. That natural light just follows you throughout the whole house. And last but not least, your primary bedroom. Tucked away from the guest bedrooms, you have your own space, your own privacy. Huge windows, again, bringing in lots of natural light. An amazing shower, which you'll never want to get out of. Different shower heads for all your different needs. And an amazing walk-in primary closet. All the shelvings, all the storage, all the organization. Just right down the road in the community, you have a park, and one of my favorite things is these free libraries. You can come in, bring a book, one that you've finished reading, you don't want anymore, you want someone else to read it, and then take another one. It's my favorite thing. And then of course, you have the park. We've got slides, a table for gathering, a nice area for your animals, bench. Just a cute little park. And then just right across the street from the park, you actually have this little trail, and we're gonna be able to show you the different peekaboo views of Lacamas Lake that you got. Great place to take your dog on a walk, hang out with your kids, just go for an evening stroll. It's quiet, you can be with nature, but you don't have to make the drive. It's right out your backyard. And here you have the infamous Lacamas Lake. It's gorgeous in the spring, summer, and fall. People go swimming there, hang out with their kids, their friends. And you have it right in your backyard. If this is something that you're looking for, please reach out, give me a call, text me. My number is 360-852-4084. Thanks, and I hope you enjoyed.